ओके, गुड मॉर्निंग। मस्ती की पाठशाला में आप सबका स्वागत है। और आज हम आपको इंग्लिश कॉन्वर्सेशन की क्रिएटिव सेंटेंसेस के बारे में बताएंगे। सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू मेक सम क्रिएटिव सेंटेंस विद द फोटोज आई एम शोइंग यू इंडिविजुअली ऑन द स्क्रीन. You are not able to see my face because and my guest because we are recording it from our mobile. So I'll just show you the photo and I will ask you to write down in the chat box what comes up in your mind. And sentence will be creative when it has element of imagination. So to give you some examples, I have with me my tech master. He will give you example of a creative sentence, and if he is not, then I am going to add my sentence to it. So on the camera, on the screen, you will see the face, a photo of something, and then you have to write a creative sentence out of it. Yes, tech master, you have the first photo with you. It's camera. What do you think?
My camera is made of bananas.
Oh, great. Cameras are made up of plastic material, but the Tech Master camera is made up of banana. Now the next photo is cell phone.
My cell phone fell into the imaginary lake and it duplified. It multiplied.
Oh my god, that means इनका कैमरा एक लेक में गिरा और वहाँ से हाथ में दो कैमरा आ गए. So it multiplied. Cell phone gira. Okay. Oh, I have a beautiful green caterpillar. My caterpillar eat McDonald's burger. He loves burger. So that was creative sentence from my side. Then I have ice cubes. Yes, tech master. Any sentence on ice cubes?
I gave ice cubes to my cat and it froze.
Oh my god, the cat after eating the ice cubes is frozen now. What is cat called in French?
Chat.
Chat. Okay. Now this is a purple flower called iris. So if you go to Mount Everest, on the top of Mount Everest, you will see one tree having iris flower. That's all imagination. Don't climb up the Mount Everest to see iris flower there. Okay, then I have a ink pot, whatever you say, it's a old way of writing. Anything from ink? Tech master. Okay, tech master is not able to make any creative sentence. So let me say, now this ink pot is very precious because the ink it is containing is from the iris flower which you saw at the Mount Everest. So the bottle of this ink cost $10,000,000,000. Okay, that sounds imagination. Window.
In Hawa Mahal there are a lot of windows.
So this is a fact. I want creative sentence. All the Hawa Mahal windows open itself at night and you can see lot of ghosts coming out of it. So this is a creative sentence. I have an Apple Watch now. Apple Watch. This Apple Watch is a time machine. You give the time and the date and the year. You can move forward and backward. You can go in the future as well. Okay, winters. Winter. Okay, you can make a normal sentence. And then your normal sentence will be given a creativity from my side. Any normal
when
sentence.
When it was winter, I made 3 snowmans.
Okay, and all those 3 snowmans were walking at the night when you were sleeping. So this is the creative level element of your sentence. Eagle, a normal sentence from Tech Master.
Eagles make their nest at very high places.
And one more fact which is very important for eagle, I have learned recently that they eat their talons at the age of 90. They have to break all the talons and they have to break their clause as well to get the new clause. Do you know that? Okay. Eggs.
There is a picture of an egg on Instagram, and it is the most liked photo in Instagram.
Oh, that's a creative sentence. Okay, yeah.
No, it's real.
It's real. So how can a egg photo is to be the best photo in Instagram? We don't know because social media is really crazy. Okay, engine. Anything from engine? Who invented steam engine? James Watt. James Watt is a person who invented steam engine, and this is, I think, again engine.
We can't ride on the engine because we are stuck in the lockdown.
Yeah, we cannot go and we cannot take the train because we are in the lockdown. Okay, this is a vest. This is a magic vest.
Mario wears this magic vest and
Disappears.
yeah.
Okay, like Mr. India. Mr. India was having a watch. Our Mario is having a vest. Van.
This one is from Hogwarts. When it's night, it flies.
Oh, wow, that's amazing sentence. I got a planet called Venus. I think there is a new restaurant come up at Venus where you can have amazing pizzas. And the special home delivery, aliens come down and deliver the home delivery of the pizza to you. Okay, ocean.
There are over billions of fishes on ocean.
There are billion of fishes in the ocean. Okay.
There are over a billion.
Over a billion. Yes. Okay, let's go to another photo. Number 1. Okay. 1. This is number 1. And if you put 0 in front of number 1, it becomes 1. If you put 0 at the back, it becomes
1.
10. Oval shape. I have a bed in my room which is of oval shape, and only one person can sleep in it.
I saw a oval on the ground and it turned out it was a black hole.
Black hole. And you want to jump inside that black hole? No? Okay. A cute little mouse, Tutu, has come. So he is our friend's friend. Our friend's name is Tutu and his name is Mummu.
Hi, this is my friend. I'm Tutu.
Hi Tutu, your friend Mummu is here.
Ooh, we haven't met for ages.
Yeah, ages means खुद तो 1 साल के लग रहे हो, ages पे बात कर रहे हो. Okay. Now I have mop. Mummu likes mop. Yes, Tutu, anything for this? You don't like mop? People hit you from the mop, right?
No, my mom says to wipe the floor with the mop. I don't like it.
Okay. Mask, oh my god, everybody is wearing mask now.
Yes.
What do you feel? What do you feel when you go out and see people wearing masks?
I don't go out. I'm in lockdown.
Okay, you stay home. That's nice. Oh, beautiful nest. I can't see any baby inside. Okay, so I have noodles. You like noodles?
Yes.
Okay, I can add some worms and some chili crabs inside it and make it seafood noodles.
I won't eat it.
Why?
I don't like seafood.
Rabbit, a beautiful rabbit has come.
I used to ride this rabbit.
Oh, Tutu sitting on rabbit. Amazing idea. Rocket. The first animal go to see the sun is Mr. Tutu. He's sitting inside the rocket and going to the sun.
Whee!
Rose. How about eating a rose chocolate, Tutu?
No, I like milk chocolate.
No, in that milk chocolate, I will add some petals of rose.
Okay.
Slippers. So, dear student, it was nice giving you an idea for a creative sentences. So, I would appreciate if you start making more sentences out of it.